Hey guys, showing this Ardroit car battery charger or any 12-watt battery charger. So as you can see, comes in a really nice protective box, very heavy duty car battery charger, or I will say a battery charger. You can charge any battery around like 12 volt. So this one is, you can see like I have this thick cable, and these have two attachments that you can use. So you can use this with the charger, like you can put on the battery directly. So with this connector you can connect these two options, and this is the power cable. So I will just add in the power cable and show you the things. So here you can add this power cable and put the power cable, then on and off button. Then from here you can put this attachment. So as you can see, this is a heavy quality metal box here that can be used to charge your battery. So with this connector, you can connect like this. So these are the two conductor, just you can put as a hook. Um, and once this is added, you can use this clip, and this is very nice heavy quality clips or clamps that you can use on the battery. And this is the other one if you want to charge it like this way. So the both options are here. You can use it the way you want, and yep, changing the options are pretty easy, and they are both are heavy quality, the cable and the product itself. So it's pretty much nice to add that for your battery charger. So it's very nice for winters, that if your battery is dead, you can charge it with this battery charger. So you can see all the indicators. Yeah.